Okay, here is the front yard. This is in North Las Vegas. There's a lot of new construction around here. This one is from 2001. Got entrance. A few smaller cracks in the stucco. Right there along the door. Let me see if it's still open. Yeah. The front, it is very dark right now, but once those are moved, it's a lot brighter in here. So the first thing is there's some marks on the wall. There's prior water damage, but this is from, he said, probably around 10 years ago. And it's all been mitigated since then. He's gonna find the receipt for it. I'll show you backyard. AC works pretty loud. Back of the house needs paint on the door frame. AC is super loud. And then not much back here. But not a bad space. Very good. You can fill it with turf, or I mean, you can even put a pool if you wanted. Little dining area here. This one, I believe it's 1871 square feet. These are older. Still not bad condition, these. I mean, if you came in here, probably replaced them. Older cabinets. I think this, he said when he moved in, he got a new stove, so probably about 10 years ago also. Has an alarm system. Has a Nest thermostat also. And then there is down here a powder room. And I'll show you the garage. And so originally there was some water damage from the guest bathroom upstairs, but the home warranty took care of it. So that's been done, it's just not painted over. Also right now, that is not self-closing in the garage, so if it was anything, FHA would have to fix that. Upstairs. So when they moved in, they replaced all of this flooring. This used to all be carpeting. It's a loft, and then there's 3 bedrooms. So here's the primary over here. There's a few smaller holes in the door. And then, again, it's super dark. There's vaulted ceilings. Just doesn't show very well. And the water damage downstairs that you can see is from this bathroom. So when they originally replaced the flooring, they didn't put a piece of the toilet on right, whoever did it, and it started leaking. But they did have somebody come out and fix that. And then walk-in closet. Here, and that just has a sliding door, which, yeah, that works. Alright, and then 2 guest bedrooms. So here I'll show you the primary, or guest bathroom. Here. Needs cleaning. It actually doesn't look, it doesn't look terrible, it just needs to be cleaned. And then, I'm not sure yet if they'll keep the washer dryer. There's a tenant in here right now. She's paying $2,000 a month and would probably like to stay if possible. And then the 2 guest bedrooms here. No closet door. this one has a smaller walk-in closet here. But kind of hard to see just because there's so much stuff.